Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Homeplace, friends. How y'all doing today? Well, y'all, I cut another tree down here this morning, and instead of bringing my log splitter down here, I'm gonna do my splitting on this one here by hand. And I just want to bring y'all along and show y'all me doing a little splitting here. This cherry wood splits like a dream, y'all. I guess y'all can tell how easy it's splitting. Wow. That's a good thing about certain species of wood. It splits really, really easy. And this cherry is one of these woods. You just basically just let your maul drop on and it just split itself just about. Let me make a recommendation to y'all. If y'all splitting wood, don't do it the way I do it. I like doing it the hard way. I know everybody else likes doing it the easy way, but I always been a little rough around the edges and I always kind of did things a little different than everybody else. Instead of putting that logs in a tire, kind of keep it all together, I'd rather bend down and pick it up every time. Just a little tip. If you want to work harder, do it like me. Let me see. I think I've I've been doing this about 30 years now, and I tell you, I'm just hard-headed. I've not learned yet to make this job easier on myself. I just year after year keep doing it the same way. Y'all leave a comment down below how y'all do it. All right, y'all. Y'all get an idea of how I do my wood splitting? Y'all like that nice crisp pop it makes? Hope I get a lot of views on this video, y'all. Y'all drink y'all's coffee and sitting by that good warm fire, thinking about, man, that's the life. He's living a life out there. Splitting that wood, it's cold. He gonna keep his family warm this winter. Next winter. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. I gotta get back to splitting. See y'all later.